So this is our filling for our cupcakes that we're going to be making tomorrow. So we got to get this in the freezer to freeze up for the filling for the cupcakes. But it is cream cheese, egg, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And this is basically the same ingredients, different quantities that you'd actually use for making a cheesecake. So we're just making a small cheesecake to stick in the middle of our cupcakes. So we're just going to mix this up real quick, put it in our silicone mold, and then we're going to throw it in the freezer overnight, and then we'll be putting it in the cupcakes tomorrow. So let's just mix this up real quick, and then we'll throw it in the freezer and we'll be done. Let's go with the wet ingredients, the vanilla and the egg, and all of these are at room temperature, so they mix better. And of course your cream cheese has got to be at room temperature, or you're just going to be in trouble. There you go, nice creamy, the consistency that you want. And now we're going to start putting it into the pan. Ready for the freezer. So we're going to take these and we will see them again inside our cupcakes. We have 1.5 cups of room temperature butter, 2 8-ounce bricks of room temperature cream cheese, some kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and it's all going to go in the bowl. And when we're done, it's going to be cream cheese frosting. Homemade cream cheese frosting. Look at that. That's beautiful. Let's make some cupcakes. Triple chocolate fudge and lemon supreme. We'll start with the lemon, adding some lemon pudding for that extra lemony flavor. Half cup of oil. Three eggs. And we're replacing the water with a cup of milk. And that's the lemon. And now the triple chocolate fudge. 3 eggs. our oil. And then our milk that we replaced the water for. And there we go. We have the triple chocolate fudge. And this is how we make our cupcake special. A little frozen bite of cream cheese or cheesecake that goes in the center of the cupcake. And we're going to do that to all of them. Fresh out of the oven. This is the part that everybody waits for, I think. Oops. The cheesecake slid clear to the bottom. Let's see what happened with, because these cheesecake pieces here, they got warm because I didn't put them back in the freezer before I made this batch, so they started melting, so they weren't as cold. So I'll be interested to see how they turn out with the other ones. But yeah, cheesecake slid to the bottom. Still there, but it's at the bottom. Cheesecake inside of a cupcake. Hey, thanks for tuning into this latest episode, and thanks for watching our latest creation. It would be a win. We think we need to not push the cheesecake in there so far, because it definitely sank inside, didn't it? Alright, well, again, thanks for watching. Tune in next time.